Among other motor engine oil, Mobi XHP 1000 is one of the most sorted out and commonly used engine oil for automobiles. But do you know that using this engine oil at all time has harms that it does to your car and engine? Follow me closely in this video as I share with you 4 facts no one will tell you about Mobi Super XHP 1000. Hello everyone, welcome to your #1 auto clinic solution on YouTube. In this video, I would like to share with you 4 likely disadvantages of using Mobi Super XHP 1000 engine oil. These advantages, however, do not make this engine oil bad. But you know, not everyone cares about how their mechanic maintains their automobile. That is why I am here to help you. So let me tell you this fact and start observing them from now on. First, let's talk about the advantages of using Mobi Super XHP 1000 engine oil. Number 1 is high performance. Mobi Super XHP 1000 engine oil is designed to meet the need of high performance engine. It offers excellent protection of any kind of engine under extreme condition. Number 2, enhanced engine cleanliness. Yes, Mobi Super XHP 1000 engine oil help keep engine clean by preventing the building of deposits. It will save your engine of dust and other particles that can harm your engine. This will result in improved engine performance and longevity. Number 3 is wear protection. This super oil provides effective lubrication. It reduces friction and wears on engine components, which can extend the life of the engine. Number 4, temperature stability. Yes, Mobi Super XHP 1000 engine oil maintains its viscosity even at high temperature, ensuring consistent lubrication and protection. And number 5, compatibility. It is compatible with a wide range of engines, including gasoline and diesel engines, making it versatile for various vehicles and equipment. So, what are the hidden facts they will not tell you about Mobi Super XHP 1000 engine oil? The first is that it is very expensive. I repeat, it is very expensive. High performance engine oil like Mobi Super XHP 1000 engine oil can be more expensive compared to conventional oils, which may not fit everyone's budget. As a retailer, it is one of the most expensive oil. The second fact is that it is not available everywhere. Depending on your location, finding Mobi Super XHP 1000 engine oil may be challenging compared to other oils. This could inconvenience some users from sustaining its usage. The third fact is that it does not have synthetic blend. While offering enhanced performance, some users may prefer fully synthetic oil for maximum protection, which Mobi Super XHP 1000 engine oil is not. And the last one is the environmental impact. As with any petroleum-based product, the disposal of used engine oil can have environmental implications if not done properly, requiring responsible recycling of disposal method. As I have said, Mobi Super XHP 1000 engine oil offers excellent performance and protection of high performance engine, but it is essential to consider factors such as cost and availability. But if you have the money, Mobi Super XHP 1000 is a good engine oil, and if you use it, you have made a good decision. I hope this video is helpful. I want you to share with me your experience of using Mobi Super XHP 1000 engine oil. in the comment section. I will be glad to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. See you in another video.